Okie dokie. See you on the other side.
All right.
I stabbed myself. So I've learned to do the haircut starting in the front, and that way you can see exactly where that length will fall right off the bat.
So what's great about this technique that I'm doing, you guys, is that you can get a lot done in one go. Play with your developers to get a perfect end result, and also using a lot less time at the moment. And all day she kept on saying fun and fresh, fun and fresh.
Yes, it's very
I think you got fun and fresh. Good.